Hello viewers, as a mechanical engineer, product designer, or construction planner, you must have come across the CAD software AutoCAD. If you are looking to purchase a laptop for working with AutoCAD, it is advisable to weigh in all the software requirements, usage of computing resources, and nature of the initiated processes from the processor perspective. In this video, we've gathered and reviewed the top laptops for AutoCAD, and guess what? There's one for every category. So you'll likely find your dream laptop in a matter of minutes. Check out our list of the best laptops for AutoCADs and find one that's perfect for you. If you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Number 1. Lenovo Ideapad L340. Despite being a powerful gaming notebook, the Lenovo Ideapad L340 can also make way for exceptional professional productivity, provided you are using the same for CAD designing, drafting, and modeling. The Intel Core i5-9300H chipset performs satisfactorily, courtesy of the 4 cores, 45 WTDP, and a turbo clock speed of up to 4.1 GHz. Besides assisting you with drafting, drawing, basic simulations, and rendering, the existing SoC also assists with SHF recognition. When it comes to more graphic-centric tasks involving 3D models and renders, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU with 4 GB RAM can come across as a useful resource. The 8 GB RAM in place allows you to work with sizable spreadsheets and datasets besides indulging in productive multitasking. Storage-centric requirements are handled by the 512 GB NVMe SSD that comes with ultra-fast read and write capabilities. When it comes to the OS, you get Windows 10 OS. Lenovo comes forth with a brilliant 15.6-inch 1080p screen that offers exceptional viewing angles. The in-plane switching technology makes the display vibrant and makes sure that all screen colors come to life, regardless of the task at hand. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Alienware M15R3 15.6-inch. The new and improved Alienware M15R3 is one of the more competent gaming laptops in the market that even doubles down as a handy productivity resource. While the notebook boasts of a pretty expansive spec sheet, it is the intuitive Alien FX UI and Creative Control Center that justifies your inclination towards AutoCAD and 3ds Max for all your 2D and 3D drafting, rendering, and prototyping requirements. At the onset, we have the Intel Core i7-10750H SoC featuring partial overclocking and hexa-core architecture. With 6 cores to work with, any basic or even more complex AutoCAD application like 2D text customization, data pairing from spreadsheets, creating dynamic blocks for prototyping, and setting geographical locations is possible. Not just that, the Intel H-series chipset turbo clocks at up to 5.1 GHz, which helps the laptop sustain remarkable CPU-intensive performances for longer stretches. The GeForce RTX 2060 GPU from NVIDIA is a resourceful addition for CAD specialists. Be it importing Civil 3D models or envisioning mental ray rendering, the ray tracing compatibility of the concerned GPU takes care of every professional requirement. Moreover, if you are looking to process more complex textures during 3D drawing, modeling, or rendering, the 6 GB VRAM integrated with this consumer-grade GPU comes in handy. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Lenovo ThinkPad P53. In ThinkPad P53, Lenovo puts together a sturdy design for a portable CAD/CAM workstation. The 9th generation processor complements the NVIDIA GPU with ample operating and storage memory to make this laptop stand out as an excellent performer. It can breeze through applications like AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, 3ds Max, formerly 3D Studio and 3D Studio Max, and Maya. Civil engineers, architects, and designers will cruise through the designs and render 3D models quickly. Credit to the hexa-core Intel Core i7-9750H that can clock at a maximum speed of 4.6 GHz. The NVIDIA Quadro T1000 graphic processor comes with a dedicated VRAM of 4 GB and shares loads of graphic processing. Be it AutoCAD or MicroStation, P53 can handle technical drawings and render 3D models simultaneously, owing to the multitasking capacity of 32 GB RAM and the faster data access speeds of the 1 TB SSD. You can protect your confidential designs and documents with a fingerprint reader and the inbuilt security features of Windows 10 Pro. Sharing designs and presentations become easier with multiple avenues for external accessories as you get an HDMI port and 3 USB ports, 2 Type-A, 1 Type-C. You get 2 Thunderbolt ports for fast charging, an Ethernet port, a 3.5mm audio jack, a card reader, and a SIM tray. Exploit fast connectivity with the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. MSI GS66 Stealth 15.6. A good laptop for 2D and 3D CAD indulgences isn't only about the spec sheet, but also takes portability and aesthetics into account. The MSI GS66 Stealth is one such high-end notebook that comes at a higher price point but lives up to the hype, courtesy of the firepower and innovative design accents. Powering this computer is an Intel Core i7-10750H CPU that turbo clocks at 5 GHz and features 6 functional cores. The existing processing arrangement is capable of handling even some of the more intricate 2D and 3D modeling, drawing, designing, and prototyping with ease. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 GPU is also a powerful addition that comes loaded with 8 GB VRAM. The existing combination allows you to work on more graphics-intensive 3D projects without worrying about performance issues. When it comes to memory, this laptop for AutoCAD comes with 16 GB of DDR4 dual-channel RAM. While the allocated RAM is adequate to handle larger files and data sets with ease for immediate CPU usage, storage-wise, you get a 1 TB NVMe solid-state unit for amplifying the Windows 10 OS and file loading speeds. When it comes to heft, this notebook weighs 4.63 pounds. However, despite being sleek, there is a shortage of ports with MSI featuring 1 Thunderbolt 3, 3 USB 3.1 Gen 3 ports, and other slots for legacy peripherals. There is a top-of-the-line battery in place, capable of lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Indeed, top-level professionals, architects, infrastructure planners, and mechanical designers require every possible computing resource to get the most out of running AutoCAD. However, if you want an all-encompassing device for the same, without compromising on portability, the Asus Zephyrus G14 is the perfect PC to invest in. Asus brings forth an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS processor, which is extremely capable when it comes to handling the most CPU-intensive 2D and 3D modeling tasks. The hexa-core architecture and turbo clock speed of up to 4.6 GHz make sure that the Zephyrus G14 can handle some of the more basic drawing, drafting, database storage, data extraction, 2D annotation, and object layering with ease. When it comes to the GPU, you get the newest series NVIDIA GeForce GTX 3060, which allows you to handle photorealistic and 3D rendering with comparative ease. The graphics processing unit comes integrated with 6 GB VRAM, which can effectively store and process high-end graphics textures with ease. At 3.64 pounds, this isn't an insanely hefty laptop and can be carried around for ensuring productivity while traveling. When it comes to ports, you get Gen 1 Type-A, Gen 2 Type-C with charging support, and other functional data and display-centric legacy ports. The existing battery, despite the good spec sheet, churns out a steady 10-hour backup. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.